Imagine turning a single AI prompt into cinematic videos just like this that looks like humans are creating.
Welcome to the Organic Palace. Carved from a golden apple, it's luxurious and alive. A true wonder.
Unique living spaces, palace, and even very beautiful colossal space to live or even viral videos where tiny humans are battling gigantic animals, fruits, or monsters. For some of them are attracting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So today, I will be showing you exactly how to create your own cinematic giant character videos using just three AI tools, namely ChatGPT for the prompt, Gemini AI for the images, and Kling AI for animation. If you are just getting to my channel for the first time, kindly hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my AI tutorials. And this tutorial is designed in a way that even if you're a complete beginner, you can definitely know how to generate these cinematic videos at the end of watching this video. The first thing we're going to be doing is talking about how to decide which of the videos you want to do, which takes us to planning your story. Before generating any story or video, decide on three important elements, which is your hero, your character, the gigantic character, and the conflicts between them. For this particular tutorial, my hero is a brave young woman wearing a black polka dot hoodie with jeans and white sneakers. Our opponent is a gigantic talking watermelon destroying the city. So the simple storyline will be the hero discovers that the watermelon challenges it. It avoids its attack and then jumps into the air to punch it. Keep your first story simple. 4 to 6 scenes are enough for a short cinematic video. Then, let's start with the first process, which is heading over to ChatGPT. Ask it to turn your idea into a short cinematic storyboard with one image prompt for every scene. For my video, I'm telling ChatGPT to create a 6-scene cinematic storyboard for a vertical AI video. The story follows a brave young black woman with short reddish brown natural hair, wearing a black hoodie with white polka dots, blue jeans, and white sneakers. She battles a gigantic, angry, talking watermelon in a modern city. Each scene must include the character's action, environment, lighting, camera angle, and cinematic mood. Maintain the exact same appearance for both characters throughout the video. Use a family-friendly, polished 3D animated movie style, vibrant colors, dramatic lighting, high detailed texture, and a will now go ahead and start generating your scenes because ChatGPT will divide the story into individual scenes. Make sure you review each result carefully to make sure that every prompt repeats the important character details. AI image generators do not automatically remember what the character looks like in a previous image. Repeating the clothing, the hair, the appearance, and the environment will help improve consistency. Always note that. Now look at this example. The storyboard, my scene 1. The heroine discovers the gigantic watermelon towering above the city. Then the scene 2. The watermelon roars and raises his enormous fist. And then we go ahead with all the scenes. To generate this video, you will first of all create your first hero using Gemini AI. You open it, copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. If you already have an avatar or a character reference, upload it so that Gemini can follow every strict instruction and use that as your hero. So that will clearly instruct Gemini to preserve the character's identity. Look at this example. I used the uploaded woman as the exact reference for the female hero. Preserve her face, skin tone, short reddish brown hair, natural hairstyle, and body proportion. Show her standing fearless in the middle of a damaged modern city street, wearing a black hoodie with a white polka dot, fitted blue jeans, and clean white sneakers. Behind her stands the gigantic. Make sure you use a dramatic low camera angle, glowing sunset, flying dust, cinematic lighting, vibrant colors, detailed textures. You see how I given so much detail so that I can get the proper and accurate image generated? With all this kind of description, you are sure to get it. Look at it. I click to generate and this is the perfect avatar that it has created. Now that we have generated our first image, this is exactly how it looks like. It's important to inspect the important details. Check the hero's face, hands, everything that you want, the shoes. Also examine the watermelon's face, the arms, and overall skill. If something looks wrong, correct it before moving on to the next scene. It's very important to have your image really consistent and properly. Now, if the character changes too much, return to your strongest image and use it as a reference again. It's very important. Always have your hero image to get a consistent character. Now, it's time to animate the images. Go ahead and open Kling AI. Select the image to video feature. Kling AI gives you the opportunity to upload the beginning and the end. So that way, it uses the same character and it knows where to stop your video generation. So, you insert each image into the keyframe and describe the movement because you don't want to regenerate and waste credits. Kling AI gives you free daily credits, and so I'm going to be dropping my Kling AI affiliate link. If you love to use it, please go ahead and click. It's free to use. Let's see. It has generated. The camera slowly pushes forward video generation and ensure that you watch that it generates your video correctly. Now, ensure that if it doesn't generate, now you must generate all your scenes separately. So ensure that if, like I said, if Kling produces any distorted movement, shorten the prompt. It gives you 7 seconds video and focus major action per clip so that you avoid requesting running, jumping, fighting all at the same time or falling in the same generation. Once the action, usually if you do one action, it produces it very correctly. Once you have all your scenes now in a video form, you will now download everything. Once you are in CapCut and head over to arrange all your clips sequentially, download them and export them. Arrange them in a story order and trim away any unstable frames at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Add a powerful hook during the first 2 seconds. Use impact sounds like hitting on the floor, splash, blow, to make it very engaging. Footsteps, roars, punches, add swoosh sounds during the first camera movement. Use quick cuts to maintain attention, add subtle cinematic music under if you want to, and include large readable captions. Export vertically or depending on the platform you're uploading to, you can do it horizontal. One thing to note is when publishing, make the first frame visually impossible to ignore. Show the tiny hero and the gigantic character together. So viewers are immediately inclined to watch. It scales your story. Your title should also be able to create curiosity. You can use examples like she challenged a giant watermelon or how I created a viral giant AI movie for free. All those kind of things. And that is how you can create a cinematic giant character video using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Kling AI. So, which giant character should I create next? And is it an animal that you want, a fruit, or alien, or even human? Let me know in the comment section. If you want the complete prompt I used in this tutorial, comment prompt, like this video, subscribe to Toyin-Parrot, and turn your notifications on for more step-by-step AI tutorials. And I will see you in my next video.